minutes about meditation. Like, I almost fell asleep standing up. But the English Kathy, she did make it much more tolerable. So in conclusion, to answer our humans question, do European accents make you seem smarter? The answer is yes.
Yes, but of course.
No. We ran an experiment with accents. British lady favored, hands down. Why, and why?
So when we hear voices, right, they index all of this social information that comes in towards us. Americans, for whatever reason, really like British people, the way that British people sound. They think that British voices sound sophisticated and authoritative. And I would be remiss if I didn't say something about this being about whiteness. So when most countries in the world, the prestigious variety is the one of the capital and or biggest city. So what you would expect in the United States is that the accent that's most prestigious is New York City or Washington, D.C., but it's not. And one theory for why this is that New York City always had a lot of immigrants.
So you mean, hey, I'm walking over here isn't the most posh.
Right. The South, similarly, always had black people because they enslaved a lot of black people. And so that variety was also seen as stigmatized, particularly after they lost the Civil War. People didn't want to be associated with the losing side. So what became the prestige norm of the United States? This Midwestern thing. Why the Midwest? Nice, hardworking white people and not that much immigration that wasn't from Europe.
Oh, that's
Horrible?
yes. Thank you for finding the words for me.